Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect, and this is the Asus ROG Phone II. ROG stands for Republic of Gamers, and this is a true gamer's phone. It has been launched very recently in India at a price tag of 38,000 rupees, and for 38,000 rupees, it packs in some serious specifications and features. So, in this video, we are going to quickly unbox this, show you what all it packs, and we'll briefly talk about the capabilities of the Asus ROG Phone II. So let's get started with this video. Before I open the box, the first thing that I want to quickly show you is the quick features that are mentioned on the box here. And it clearly says that it is a black color phone. It comes with LTE dual SIM. There is 6.59-inch FHD plus display, 8GB of RAM, 128GB of ROM, and there is also dual camera at the back and 24 megapixel front facing camera. So let's get these specs out of the way and let's open the box. And this is the first thing in the box, which is a small paper box which says ROG. And inside we get a SIM removal tool, some IMEI stickers, and this back case. This is an unusually designed case for an unusual phone, so I'm not surprised, but it looks very good in terms of quality. This is a hard plastic material, somewhat flexible but very slim and very lightweight. Then we get to the phone, and this phone is definitely not lightweight. This is approximately 240 grams, one of the heaviest smartphones we have come across. And it comes with a massive 6.59 or 6.6-inch display. And on the right hand side of the phone, you get the power wake up key followed by the volume rocker on top. And what you see here are called air triggers here at the top and the bottom. These are some special triggers or actuation or activation buttons, so you can use these during your gameplay. On the top of the phone is a microphone hole, and here you also see another microphone hole, so 1, 2, and it has got 2 more mics, one here and one here at the bottom, so it has quad mic or 4 mic system. This is a Type-C USB charging port, 3.5 audio port is also here, and these are the antenna bands you can see on the either side. Towards the left of the phone is the SIM card tray, so let me quickly pop this open. So it has a dual nano SIM card tray. It does not give you expandable memory option because it has UFS 3.0 storage, which is quite fast. And on this side you also see this is basically an opening for a docking connector, and it also has a Type-C USB. So you can also plug in a Type-C USB accessory on this side. In fact, it looks like dual port to me, and it is covered with this rubber seal. So if you're not using, it is recommended that you keep it closed, so it will save it from any sort of liquid damage. On the front you get this large 6.59-inch display, and on top of the display is a 24 megapixel camera right here in the top forehead of this phone, and you have a top speaker and a bottom speaker. It has dual firing front facing speakers, and this is how the display looks. And I'll talk about the display. On the rear of the phone is a glass, and you also have Republic of Gamers branding here. It is kind of grayish black in color, and this logo that you see is RGB backlit, and you also have these color changing etchings over here, and this is one of the copper cooling vents, which looks very nice and very sporty. You also have ROG branding here. It says ROG aerodynamic system. And on this side you have the dual camera. The primary one is a 48 megapixel and the secondary one is an ultra wide, which is 13 megapixel, and a couple of flashlights here on the back. And this is all about the physical overview. Let me quickly set this phone up and get back with more details about display, performance, I'll give you a sound test as well, and we'll talk about the software and hardware features. And we are back after setting up the phone, and it does have a in-display fingerprint scanner, and you just saw that it works fine. It's not very fast, but it's not very slow either. It's all right. And first thing I want to talk about is the display here. The display is definitely extremely important for any gaming phone, and this one does have an extremely special display panel. This is no ordinary panel. It comes with 120 Hz of refresh rate. And not only that, it also comes with HDR support. There is 240 Hz of touch sensitivity. So in every second, this display is looking for any touch registered on this display 240 times every second. 120 times every second the display is refreshing, so it is ultra smooth. It is a really butter smooth display, and the touch response times makes a lot of difference if you're a gamer, and there is a split second of or a millisecond difference between your response time and the opponent's response time can make a difference between a win and a lose. So yes, if you're a gamer, if you're a serious gamer, then probably this features would matter really a lot for you. And the quality of display also looks quite good. It uses the ROG theme. Slightly awkward looking color temperature, but quality of display is really good. You can tweak the color temperature to your preference and you can make it look different. Now coming to the performance, it uses a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is really fast. It has 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and it also gives you UFS 3 storage, which is really fast. On Antutu, the scores are close to 4 lakh mark, which is insane. This is the Plus variant of the Snapdragon 855 processor. So it is extra fast compared to what you would normally find. It also comes with optional gaming accessories like the gamepad and the docks, etc. There are air coolers, etc. that are optionally available for this phone. And it also comes with this case or the cover, which comes bundled. So if you just put this on, this is how it looks. Gives it some protection, some extra padding around the corner, so if it falls down, there are less chances of it getting damaged. On gaming software level as well, there are some features like Game Genie, which is a very aggressive game mode. There is X mode, which enhances the performance even further. You get a lot of game related software. For example, it has Asus suite of games, Asus Armory, and you get a lot of gaming support. So if you are a gamer, you are definitely gonna love this phone. I'm not joking. It is actually designed for gamers, and it comes with all the features that a gamer can actually look for. So let me just get out of this mode. If you're not a gamer and you want to get out of this theme, there's also a standard theme available which you can use. For cooling, they have used special systems, so it has extra vents. As you can see this one, there are graphite layers and vapor cooling chambers inside. So it is very high tech when it comes to cooling and performance. Because it is a high performance phone, it does produce extra heat when you are gaming and it is on higher settings. So to cool that, it does require some extra hardware. Also, these air triggers help to improve the gaming performance. Along with that, it comes with a 6000 mAh battery, which means that you would not run out of battery when you are sitting on long sessions while gaming. And the USB port for charging has been placed slightly lower than the middle on the phone. So when you are holding this and a USB cable is plugged here or even on the side, which you can, because there is an extra USB port here, so you can easily game holding it in the landscape mode. There are also some extra docks, etc. available to attach this to external displays if you want. So you have a lot of flexibility and versatility. The dual firing speakers are also pretty crazy. They are front firing, and top and bottom of the screen both are front firing speakers. So let me quickly give you a demo of a video playback so that you can get an idea of how loud these are. So I'm just gonna play a video from our channel.
Hi, this is your host Dipali. I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect. Let's get started.
It is extremely loud, in fact as loud as a small portable Bluetooth speaker would be, so you would not miss the loudness on this, and you would not need to carry external speakers. Although the treble is a bit higher than I would comfortably want. It's not very bass heavy, but they are extremely loud for gaming. When it comes to charging, it comes with quick charge 4.0 support, which is 27 watt. There is also a 30 watt fast charger, which is not bundled in the box and is sold separately. With the box, you only get an 18 watt charger, which is a 9 volt 2 ampere. And this phone comes with a lot of serious performance, aesthetics, design. Now let's test cameras and find out how good these 48 megapixel shooters and the 13 megapixel rear shooter are, and we'll also take a few selfies. So if you occasionally take pictures, then probably you would also bother about the camera performance. So let's see how good this is. It has automatic HDR, so this HDR plus is already on, and if I hit here, I can go to 2x zoom, which is definitely the digital zoom, and this is the wide mode. Let's take a selfie as well. It has a 24 megapixel front facing cameras for selfies, and the selfie comes out to be alright. It uses pixel binning and saves the images in 6 megapixel with the front facing camera, and with the rear facing camera, the 48 megapixel sensor saves the picture in 12 megapixel, and the clarity is pretty good. We have no complaints since it's a gaming phone, so the focus is all on the gaming, but the camera is also doing a good job. This is the ultra wide 13 megapixel. The color consistency as well as the detailing level are also satisfactory on the ultra wide angle as well. The angle of this camera is around 125 degrees, which is pretty good. So the cameras also work good here. It runs Android 9, and when it comes to battery, it has a 6000 mAh battery, so it is crazy good. So if you are a gamer or if you're a heavy user, you would definitely not run out of battery. So this is a quick overview when it comes to the Asus ROG Phone II. If I have to summarize, I would say it has got great build, good design, it has great performance, it also gives you a lot of good features. It's a dream phone for gamers, definitely, but it's definitely one of the heaviest I have seen, 240 grams. It's not the phone for everyone. If you are someone who clicks a lot of pictures and does not play too many games, this is probably not a phone that you would like because of the heavy weight. But if you play games casually or seriously, then this is definitely the phone to pick up. You would not be disappointed when it comes to gaming performance. So it is a thumbs up from us, especially at 38,000 price point with these specs. This phone is definitely a good deal, so go ahead and get one for yourself. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section where you can get one for the Best Buy price. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, stay subscribed and press the bell icon for the latest video updates. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.